In today's digital world, where social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike, having a well-defined social media marketing plan is crucial for achieving your social media goals. Facebook, with its vast user base and influential role in the social media ecosystem, offers a powerful platform to connect with your target audience, promote your brand, and achieve measurable results. In this video, we will delve into how to create a comprehensive social media marketing plan using Facebook, ensuring that your online efforts are aligned with your business objectives and drive tangible success. Section 1. The importance of a social media marketing plan. A social media marketing plan is essential for several reasons: goal setting and alignment. A well-defined plan clearly outlines your social media goals, ensuring that your social media activities are focused on achieving specific objectives that align with your overall business strategy. Target audience understanding. By defining your target audience and understanding their demographics, interests, and behaviors, you can tailor your content and messaging to resonate effectively with the right audience. Strategic content creation. A social media marketing plan guides your content creation strategy, ensuring that your posts are relevant, engaging, and consistent with your brand voice and overall objectives. Campaign execution and measurement. A plan provides a framework for executing social media campaigns, tracking their performance, and measuring their impact on your business goals. Resource allocation and budgeting. By outlining your social media activities and goals, you can effectively allocate resources and budget to support your social media marketing efforts. Section 2. Creating a social media marketing plan for Facebook. To create an effective social media marketing plan for Facebook, follow these steps. Step 1. Define your social media goals. Identify your overall business objectives. What do you want to achieve with your social media efforts? Increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, boost sales, or enhance customer engagement. Set smart social media goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will provide clear direction and allow you to track your progress. Step 2. Analyze your target audience. Identify your ideal customer. Who are you trying to reach with your social media marketing? Understand their demographics, interests, online behavior, and pain points. Research your competitors. Analyze how your competitors are using Facebook. Identify their strengths and weaknesses, and learn from their strategies. Step 3. Develop your content strategy. Define your brand voice. Determine the tone and personality of your brand's social media presence, ensuring it aligns with your overall brand identity. Create a content calendar. Plan your content in advance, including post types, topics, and scheduling to maintain consistency and engagement. Incorporate a variety of content formats. Utilize a mix of text posts, images, videos, live streams, and polls to cater to different audience preferences and engagement styles. Step 4. Implement effective Facebook campaigns. Set campaign objectives. Clearly define the goals of your Facebook campaigns, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or promoting specific products or services. Target your audience effectively. Use Facebook's targeting options to reach the right people based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and custom audiences. Optimize your ad creatives. Create compelling ad copy, eye-catching visuals, and clear calls to action to maximize engagement and conversions. Step 5. Track and measure your results. Utilize Facebook Insights. Regularly monitor your Facebook Insights data to track key metrics such as reach, engagement, conversions, and cost per acquisition, CPA. Analyze campaign performance. Evaluate the effectiveness of your campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. Step 6. Refine and adapt. Review your plan regularly. Revisit your social media marketing plan periodically to ensure it aligns with your evolving business goals and adapt to changing audience preferences and social media trends. Embrace continuous learning. Stay updated on Facebook's algorithm updates, new features, and emerging social media trends to keep your plan relevant and effective. By creating a comprehensive social media marketing plan tailored to Facebook, you can effectively connect with your target audience, amplify your brand's reach, and achieve your social media goals. Remember, a social media marketing plan is a dynamic document that should be reviewed, refined, and adapted regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your evolving business objectives and the ever-changing social media landscape. By investing time and effort in strategic planning, you can position your brand for success and reap the